it's Khadijah and welcome to another Ask Hennasooq, where you have asked some really pressing and amazing questions that you really want to know the answer to. And as a henna hair colorist and expert in Ayurvedic hair care, I'm here to give you those answers and make it simple and easy. And this week we're going to be talking about, can I use coconut milk in my henna? The answer is absolutely yes, you definitely can. I would say that coconut milk is considered a bit of a heavier liquid, so it may dilute some of the color of the red. So if your focus is coloring your hair, I wouldn't recommend it. But if you want to get all the deliciousness of coconut milk and your hair really loves coconut, I would highly recommend it in your henna recipe because it adds a lot more moisture. It's so creamy and nourishing. Try to get a coconut milk also that has some of the fat on it, you know, not like the diluted ones. Get a really nice rich coconut milk that has that extra fat in it because it's just so good and nourishing for your hair. It'll leave it so soft, it'll make it more manageable. It's a really great treatment for a focus of like when you're trying to get those goals of strengthening your hair and also at the same time getting moisture. That's a great combination. And you could even use just those two ingredients. It's as simple as that. You know, you don't want to, dilute all the benefits from the henna. So using coconut milk is a really good balance for a nice mask that you can probably do like every 3 to 4 weeks. That would be a great regimen plan. Like for one of your wash days, for sure, you could definitely put it right in there and and then put other treatments like in between. And I have something really special for you. Just below in the description, I got a recipe for you using henna and coconut milk. So just click that link and then you'll get all the information you need and the recipe and the tips and the how-tos of using this delicious, nourishing mask in a hair regimen plan and how you can fit it in. I'll answer all of your questions right there, including that yummy, delicious recipe with exact proportions that you'll need and how much to use for your hair length. All there for you. So just click that recipe. It's a bonus just for you guys for tuning in every week. And I hope you really love it. And give me some feedback in the comments. If you try it out or you have tried it out in the past, let me know what your thoughts are. Did your hair really love it? Or was it not really so much? Because sometimes there are instances where people experience like that they don't have much of a love for coconut in their hair. But it's about discovery. So you're trying new things out and seeing what your hair does like and what it does not like. And always remember to keep track of it. You can even use our planner. We have a planner right under ebooks that you can use to keep track of all your hair regimen wash days, your recipes, and anything that comes up about your hair. You definitely should be keeping track of it until you feel very comfortable doing all your recipes and you have kind of like a stable kind of basic routine going on, then you could definitely, that's going to help you guide you right through that. So stay tuned, watch that video this Sunday, and don't forget, so you don't miss it, you got to subscribe and hit the bell, and I will see you next time.